What's up everybody, JDM Crystal here. This is a VANTRUE Nexus 4 Pro dashcam, and this is my 1996 Honda Civic Coupe. Story time, guys. So this car is my baby. So much of my blood, sweat, and tears, and money have gone into this car, and I love it so much. It's my project car. I take it to track days, car meet. That being said, I have already been in 2 hit and run accidents with this car, and I keep telling myself that I need to get a dash cam, but you know how it is, life just gets in the way, and I've just waited way too long. Today is the day, y'all. I'm gonna be installing the VANTRUE Nexus 4 Pro dashcam into my Civic. When you receive your dashcam, you will first find a straight-to-the-point installation guide, followed by the front-facing camera, the rear-facing camera, the power cable with a USB port, a prying tool, the GPS adhesive mount, extra 3M sticky pads, a 20-foot long rear camera cable, a Type-C USB data cable, the VANTRUE quick user guide, dust-free cloth, a bracket adhesion primer, electrostatic stickers, and a warning sticker. The front-facing camera unit is a good size and feels really durable right off the bat. You can see the different ports for the power and rear camera cables. Then on the 3.19-inch screen, you have a quick guide to navigate the button functions. And finally, the power button. The lid where the power button is can be removed, revealing the micro SD card port, and it's magnetic and will click back into place. One thing to note is the SD card does not come with the camera. This dashcam takes a micro SD card with a capacity of up to 512 gigabytes if you choose not to purchase VANTRUE's SD card. Next, we have the functions on the front-facing camera where you can control the Wi-Fi, audio settings, video view, and finally, video playback. This little button here is the reset button. Both cameras have the ability to adjust the lens as needed. You can see the rear-facing camera is considerably smaller than the front, and it fits perfectly in the palm of my hand. The GPS mount fits easily into the front-facing camera and is actually magnetic as well, so it clicks perfectly into place. Connecting your VANTRUE app to the dashcam comes with a good amount of perks as well. The app allows you to operate live video previews, change camera settings, playback and download videos to your phone, and view the GPS tracking in real time, aligning with the dashcam footage. To begin this install, I of course have to clean the area I will be applying the dashcam to. VANTRUE did provide us with this clear liner that you'll apply, and then you can apply this over it, and that's supposed to make it easier to remove it in the future. But based off of previous reviews that I've seen, I heard that this 3M tape doesn't stick as well to the liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the install without it. I have my dashcam in place, and I'm now going to insert my micro SD card. This was a little tricky since the SD card is so small, but if you use your nail to push the SD card in, you should be good to go. Now to turn on the dashcam. And it works! Let's take it out on a test drive and see how it performs on the road. So just some initial takeaways. I really want to test the audio on this, but as you can hear, my car has a lot of drone inside from my exhaust. So I like that loud exhaust life, and as a result, I'm gonna have no hearing by the time I'm 50. So what you're hearing right now is what the audio quality sounds like, and I'm just speaking in normal volume, so I can't wait to play it back and hear how it sounds. I was pleasantly surprised at how well the camera's mics canceled out the drone in my car and picked up my voice. I love how big the video screen is. I can see really clearly, and I know I'm still getting familiar with the settings, but if I need to adjust anything while I'm driving, it's really easy to do so. VANTRUE made it really easy to toggle through each camera view while you're on the go. You have the option of making your main view the front-facing view, cabin-facing view, rear-facing view, or mini screens of all 3. Now I'm really curious to see how good this camera is going to be in capturing street signs and license plates and things like that. As you can see, during the day, the camera captures license plates from moving vehicles and street signs effortlessly. So far, the camera has performed really well in the daytime, but let's see how it performs at night. Okay, y'all, we are ready for the night drive. Now, moment of truth. We're approaching a street sign. Let's see how the night vision does. Let's see how the license plate reading does. All right, approaching some cars here. Curious to see how the license plate reading is going to be. The lighting is pretty dim, but we just have the regular street lights on right now. I forgot I should have turned. So there you have it, guys. That's my review of the VANTRUE Nexus 4 Pro dash cam. Overall thoughts, I really love the ease of use with installing. I really liked the video quality. I feel like that's so important, especially when capturing license plates in the daytime or at night. And I really like the fact that you can either download your footage with the SD card or download it directly to your phone, which is really, really nice. I would say the thing that I like about it the least is the whole installation process when it comes to the wiring, that you have to fish the wiring through your car and take off a lot of panels to connect it to the rear camera. But then again, at this price point, you are not gonna find a better dash cam. Overall, if I had to give it a JDM Crystal score, I'd probably have to give it an 8 out of 10. I'm overall really, really impressed with the quality and just the overall features that it has. So I definitely recommend it. I'm going to be buying this for all of my cars now. I highly recommend getting this dash cam, guys. I mean, if you're even watching this YouTube channel, I assume that you do have your own project car at home that you love just as much as I love my Civic. I also have some other very exciting news. VANTRUE actually gave me a coupon code for you guys to use if you are interested in purchasing this. I'm gonna leave the Amazon link to this dash cam below, and you can use that coupon code whether you're in the US or Canada to purchase this dash cam. Protect your investment, guys. Get this dash cam and have the peace of mind knowing that if something were to happen, you're covered. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, you already know what to do. And until next time, JDM Crystal,